Hello! Say happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Down here on my boob. Let's take a video. Are you?
I know.
Oh, well, we could do something.
You missed my shrimp cocktail platter. So I am making potatoes, green beans.
Enjoying everything.
Oh, broccoli's boiling already. That ain't good. That's really not good.
We're gonna have Brussels sprouts.
And I got a pie.
Really? Brussels sprouts started.
There we go.
Yeah.
And I got
they were sold out at
two turkey breast stuffed.
They were sold out at Brussels sprouts are us? Yeah.
Brussels sprouts are up.
I hated them when I was a kid.
Me too.
That's like saying I love potatoes.
Yeah, I know. I always loved them. The Chinese place. Maybe they don't sell it the same.
So what else did I do today? Ice cream. And gravy. Which will go in the gravy boat. Very nice little. Cheers, dears.
I think your album's over.